In this video, we will show how to replace the following parts that are included in this Vizio TV model number E320-A1 TV repair kit. This kit includes the mainboard and the power supply board. We have already removed the back cover from the TV. It is recommended to take pictures during the repair process to use as a reference point. Be sure your TV is unplugged. Disconnect all of the cables on the mainboard. Remove the screws on the mainboard and then lift the board from the chassis. Put the replacement part into position and then secure it on the chassis with the screws. Reconnect all of the cables and connections. Disconnect all of the cables on the power supply board. Remove the screws on the power supply board and then lift the board from the chassis. Put the replacement part into position and then secure it to the chassis with the screws. Reconnect all of the cables and connections. There you have it. We have shown how to replace the mainboard and power supply board in this TV.